Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make a DIY sleigh. I got the idea from, I think her name is, what is her name? What is her name? Oh, I watch her all the time. Chick on the Cheap. Yes, Chick on the Cheap. She inspired me to give a DIY sleigh, Dollar Tree sleigh a try. This is a DIY that she probably did about some years ago, probably 2+ years ago. But I really enjoyed it and I put my own spin to it. So I want you all to check out how I recreate this DIY Dollar Tree sleigh with my own spin to it. Um, Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So I got all my Christmas decorations up. Let y'all take a look of some of my stuff that I got up. I even got my tree up. It's so big, y'all. It's so big. Let me see if I can give you more of a sneak peek. There we go. It's huge, y'all. But anyway, I'll eventually be doing like I'm gonna eventually do like a home tour soon. Um then you all will be able to see the whole Christmas tree itself. I think I've done a home tour before in the past. It's been quite a while since I've done one. So this one will be like a 2022 version of my home tour. All right, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, everybody. So we're right here getting ready to craft, getting ready to do this quick DIY. So pretty much you're just gonna need one of these sleighs from Dollar Tree. Eventually I think I'm just gonna like take all of this off. Right now I'm just trying to give you a quick DIY that would not only take you no time, but it's going to be very cheap and affordable. So right here, if you want to remove the Merry Christmas, you can use the acetone fingernail polish remover, or you can use a scraper. Dollar Tree has these cute little scrapers. I wonder if I got one right here close by. I do not, but there are little black scrapers that you can get from Dollar Tree, and you can scrape this off. So you could do fingernail polish remover or the scrapers to scrape this off, and I'll eventually do that. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna need, of course, the sleigh from Dollar Tree. You're gonna also need 2 of these what are these called? Wreath hangers. Yes, you're gonna need 2 of the metal wreath hangers to do this DIY. So pretty much what you're gonna do, which I've already done one side, I took this wreath hanger and pretty much I just evened it up with this side here. See, now it's even. Okay, make sure it's perfectly even. All right, now you're gonna take your hands just like this and you're gonna bend. This metal is very easy to bend. You're gonna bend it all the way back. See? Bend. Then it's gonna pop. See that? All right. Sit that just like that. Excuse me. I pray you all are having a very blessed and prosperous day on today. I'm just recently recovering from the flu, everyone. I had the flu, and my baby girl ended up having the flu first. And it kind of like just went around my house. And I had plans on getting the flu shot the week that I actually caught the flu. So you're going to line everything up just like that. And that's one of the reasons why I did not end up getting my vaccination for the flu. I was a little behind doing it this year. And normally I'm always on top of it. But yep, I ended up with the flu. In the process of getting a flu vaccine soon, very, very soon. My doctor advised me to wait a little bit, because he was telling me that sometimes, let's see, he says sometimes the flu itself, well, not the flu itself, but flu shot itself can cause you to feel bad. Normally I don't feel bad when I get the flu shot, but he just advised me to wait for like a week or so. So it'll be, I think right now will be week 2 for me. So I'm gonna excuse me, I have a little cough, but I'm gonna check into it to see if I can get my shot sometime this weekend. So it is just as simple and easy as that. You see how I think I got a little bit of extra glue right here, but it's just that simple. You just add your glue to the sleigh itself. It looks really good. I love how it looks. It's just so perfect to me. Okay, so pretty much what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to decorate everything. But that's one of the reasons why I have been gone out the scene for a while. I normally post a video every single week, and I was like MIA for like a whole week. So I went almost 2 weeks without posting a video. But to God be the glory. God is so good. He is so merciful. And I thank him for what he did. He kept me through the flu, even with not being vaccinated. And God is so good. I owe him my life. And I thank God for just blessing me to be here, to still be able to share DIYs and crafts and home decor with all of you. I love God. I love God. I love God. And I thank him for all that he is doing and all that he's going to do in my life. I'm so grateful, y'all. I don't take nothing that he does for me for granted. So right here, these are vase fillers. So I'm taking these vase fillers. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to decorate. And I'm just going to toss it in there for extra decorations. I love the little like effect of the gold and the balls and all that good stuff. So I also got these ornaments from Dollar Tree. These ornaments right here look so cute. And I got another one. Now this one was one of my favorite ones. It says sleigh rides 10 cents per ride, hot cocoa blankets and cookies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these right here because I don't want it to look like an ornament. Don't want it to look like an ornament. So trying to cut away my other scissors because those scissors are not as strong. I'm trying to cut away the little hanger so you can't really tell that it's an ornament. That's one. Let's see. And that's 2. All right. All right, look, that's so cute. I got my 2 little presents in there. Then I'm gonna sit right here. I'm going to take the hook off of this too. It has like a little hanger on it. I'm gonna take that hanger off of that too. And that is so adorable. stick that right there in the back. I love it. I love it. So that's it. That is what it's looking like, you guys. Just like that. It looks so good. It looks so good. This is literally like a 10-minute DIY. Excuse I'm so sorry, you all. I still have a little cough. But this is pretty much a 10-minute DIY. It's 10 minutes. Start to finish. Like I said earlier, you can take off the writing with some fingernail polish remover or a scraper. And I love how it looks. I love how it looks. I'm so excited. Can't wait to put it up. If you have a little peekaboo of what you call it, of hot glue, you can add some of the faux snow there. I'm gonna do that eventually, but I just wanted to share this with you all. I love you all, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And look how cute this is. I'm loving this. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Love all of you, and have a great and prosperous day. All right, everyone, I'm back. I know I just ended my video, but this is a special bonus footage, and I want to show you all what I have done with my sled itself. What extra effects. I tell you I was going to add some more stuff to it. I ended up covering up the Merry Christmas on the side. I tried using fingernail polish remover, and I also tried to use my scraper. The scraper took too long, way too long. The fingernail polish remover, I think will work, but you need to make sure you need to use the acetone one. I tried using regular fingernail polish remover because I was out of the acetone one, and it does not work. So if you're going to use the fingernail polish remover, make sure you're using the acetone base one, because I really truly believe it will work. So after I did that, I actually painted over my spot with the Cardinal Crimson by Red Apple. Not Red Apple. What I'm saying. I didn't mean to say Red Apple. Apple Barrel. That's why this is a bonus footage. I love it. Well, anyway, the life of a DIYer. Sometimes we say stuff right. Sometimes we don't. But this is the actual finished product. I love the way it turned out. The white fluffy snow that you see on the inside is nothing but cotton balls, everybody. Cotton balls. Dollar Tree cotton balls. Yes, this is my added touch. I also put this cute little accent to the front right there. As you can see, that came from Dollar General. That stuff from last year. I am loving it. I do know for a fact this is something that Chick on the Cheek did not do for her sled itself. I don't recall her adding snow or anything. I tell you I was going to add my own special touch to this DIY. I added snow down to the bottom, snow on the inside. I also put presents, and I also did the cutest little Santa bag that says some cute a little cute slogan. So all right, I am gone for real this time, everyone. Thank you for staying tuned to the very end, for checking out this quick and easy DIY on today. This was bonus footage. I love you all. Have a good day.